Welcome to the ComWeb video training series for ComWeb Portals. In this video, we will cover the introduction of new features from the April 2018 ComWeb Portal release notes, including impersonation, adding and managing portal administrators, and the new Active Associations report. Let's get started. With this exciting new feature, portal administrators will be able to impersonate any homeowner account on the portal, as well as identify if a homeowner has successfully registered. This powerful new tool will make answering resident questions regarding the portal a breeze. To impersonate a user or check their registration status, go to the Resident Support sidebar menu tab. Begin typing to search for a particular association or select it from the drop-down. A list of all member records will populate for the selected association. You will see the owner's name for each record, the property address, and the registration status. Click to expand any record and you will see all contact details synchronized with your management software, an account number, and a link to impersonate the user. Click the Impersonate User link. This will open a new browser tab. The display will briefly flash to the administrative dashboard and quickly change to the display that the homeowner would see when they log into their account on the portal. Use this feature to answer resident questions about information that is being displayed, or double-check the display of new information you've added, such as a new announcement. You can close this tab once you are done. The browser tab you had open for the administrative side is still there. Portal admins now have the capability to add or manage additional administrators. To do this, click on the Manage Admins sidebar menu tab. You'll see your current administrators listed along with their registration status. If you need to add an additional administrator, enter their email into the field and click the Invite button. They will receive an automated email inviting them to create their login credentials. This invitation is only valid for 7 days. If they do not complete their registration in this time frame, simply go back to Manage Admins and click the Resend Invitation button. After they have created their login credentials, they will show as active. You can remove administrators by clicking the Delete button. Finally, there is a new report called the Association Status Report. You can find this under the Reports sidebar menu tab. The purpose of this report is to help answer the question, does ComWeb have access to the data for this association? You will see 3 columns. Non-activated associations. These are associations that are in your management software, but ComWeb is not authorized to access this data. If you would like homeowners to be able to register for the portal for any of these associations, you would first need to enable ComWeb's access. Active associations. These are associations that are active and live on the portal. And finally, inactive or disabled associations. These are associations whose data ComWeb is enabled to access, but you either no longer manage the association and have disabled the community in your management software, or the association has been marked as not for use in the portal. The most likely reason it would not be for use in the portal would be if we are hosting a website in lieu of the portal and registration has been redirected to the HOA website. Thanks for watching. For more information and helpful tutorials, visit our support site at support.comwebforme.com.